Welcome back to Brennan Executive Insights. I'm Nick Sone, Chief Customer Officer at Brennan, and today we are talking about cloud. We have seen a massive uptake in the adoption of cloud across our customer base and across Australian businesses. And today I'm joined by Luke Matthews, the Brennan Head of Cloud. Welcome, Luke.
Thanks, Nick.
The cloud environment's changed dramatically over the last decade. It's become more complicated. There's a lot more choice for customers. How are we approaching cloud?
Certainly the cloud's getting more complex. There's public cloud, private cloud. We're seeing customers adopt a hybrid or a multi-cloud model as well. There's benefits to these things, but also there's complexity as well. Brennan's approach to helping customers through these situations is a cloud smart, meaning we're reviewing and addressing workloads and helping customers plan out their cloud journey.
Yeah, cloud smart, I like it. I think that's got a good ring to it. So hybrid cloud versus multi-cloud, can you give me a sort of a definition of both of those things?
Yeah, sure. So they're both models of cloud approaches. Hybrid cloud is when you're addressing a workload with a public cloud solution as well as a private cloud solution, so it's hybrid between those two. The benefits of that might be where you're using private cloud for static infrastructure or data that has some more security components, and leveraging public cloud, for what might be more modern services, app development, that sort of thing. A multi-cloud environment might be where you're leveraging two hyperscaler cloud providers, looking at benefits to resilience in some cases and fit-for-purpose application development against those. Some of the considerations need to be about management overhead when you've got two cloud environments like that. In all of these cases, you have to look at business continuity and disaster recovery as well. If you're across multiple environments, then what does that mean for your business resilience as well?
Okay, yeah, sure. It is a complicated environment today. So how do we help our customers on their cloud journey?
Yeah, sure. So Brennan has an approach that we're calling Cloud Smart. It's founded on an adoption framework where we will review the customer's estate and make sure that those re-architect, refactor, rehost, rebuild type decisions are being made to prevent bill shock as the migration to public cloud happens. What we're addressing is that sort of lift and shift migrate, and then it's not a great experience for the customer. You're not getting the benefits of public cloud. So we're taking that smart approach where we're really looking at their state and moving forward on the best possible outcome for the customer.
Yeah, and how important is it for us to help our customers align their cloud strategy to their business strategy?
Oh, super important. So I think Brennan's breadth of capability in terms of the business advisory piece, we can start that adoption framework at the strategy level. So we can help customers come up with a why cloud. Why are they doing this in the first place? What's the business outcomes and what are the drivers? So looking at chargeback between business units on who's using cloud for what, it solves some of the problems down the track when the monthly spend starts coming in, right?
So when you think about the drivers that are causing customers to think about their cloud environment, what do you see?
Yeah, so some of the common conversations we have where customers might reach out for help, they have a large CapEx project looming where they've got a tech refresh. They might not want to spend all the money on a hardware purchase, right? They see the future in public cloud or cloud adoption. Okay, well, I'm not looking at refreshing what's on-prem. I've got some problems with a contract renewal and hosting, that sort of thing. Other common situations that might be a driver is business growth. Customers are growing and they're having to respond to information management practice type accreditation responses. And they go, well, we're not sure about how our information's managed, and adopting cloud for that sort of thing as part of a strategic review of what they're using cloud for is a key benefit.
Yeah, so Luke, final question. What advice would you give to someone thinking about their cloud journey?
Yeah, so it's not a destination, quite rightly, it's a journey. So what we'll see in the next 5 to 10 years is more focus on cloud maturity and fit for purpose approach to using cloud services, which means customers will have to assess their maturity and review what's available in public cloud and if it's a good fit for their business.
Yeah, well, okay, really insightful, Luke. Thank you for joining me.
No worries, thanks, Nate.
Thanks for joining us for our chat today about the cloud. Join me next time on Brennan Executive Insights. See you soon.